Want to save your Vimeo video as an MP4? It's straightforward if you're the uploader or have permission. First, log into Vimeo.com and go to your Videos tab. Select the video you want to download. You should see a download button under the Settings or Advanced menu. Click it. Vimeo saves videos as MP4 files by default, a widely compatible format. Free users can download at 720p or lower, and these downloads expire after 24 hours. Paid plans unlock higher resolutions and permanent access. Remember, downloading videos you don't own or have permission to download can violate Vimeo's terms and copyright laws. Vimeo offers several quality options for MP4 downloads. Standard definition, or SD, includes 480p or 720p resolutions. These are ideal for low bandwidth connections or mobile viewing where smaller file sizes matter more than high detail. High definition, or HD, at 1080p resolution works well for most modern screens and devices, providing clear quality without excessive file sizes. For users with Pro Plus or business plans, Ultra High Definition offers 1440p or 2160p, also known as 4K. This is perfect for professional editing or viewing on high-end displays where every detail counts. Vimeo employs variable bitrate, or VBR, encoding to optimize file sizes while maintaining playback quality. You might also see options for original quality, which preserves all details but results in much larger files. Choose the right quality option based on your specific needs and available storage capacity. Consider your intended use and device capabilities to make the best selection.